Think you missed the AI wave? You didn't. 2024 was model breakthroughs. 2025 increased adoption. 2026 is where people actually use it. Why you should care about AI. We all know AI isn't replacing you. I hope so. It's replacing the version of you that doesn't use it. And in the next 12 months, that gap becomes income. Goldman Sachs says 300 million jobs could be partially automated. And here's a scary fact. One person with AI now can do what 5 people did before. When ChatGPT launched, it could write emails, summarize articles, answer questions. Impressive, but it only responded. It didn't execute. It was intelligence without action. Then came the model race. Text models improved. Midjourney created professional-grade images from text. Designers started paying attention. AI became a content machine, still clunky, still needed babysitting. This is when things got serious. GPT-4o came, understands text, voice, and images, analyzes PDFs, spreadsheets, screenshots, writes real working code, handles long reasoning chains. This isn't write me a paragraph. This is analyze this 40-page report and extract insights. Claude 3 came, exceptional at long documents, strong logical reasoning, cleaner structured outputs. Gemini came, deep Google integration works inside Docs, Gmail, Sheets. Then creative AI leveled up. Runway and Kling were used to generated video from text prompts, not drafts, actual usable assets. AI moved from assistant to production engine. Now 2025, the agent era. This is the real shift. An AI agent doesn't just answer, it acts. You give it a goal. For example, research 20 companies and build me a pitch deck. It searches the web, extracts data, compares pricing, builds slides, refines output, no step-by-step micromanaging. We went from AI that talks to AI that works. In 2026, where this is going, it's giving agents and chatbot clear goals, structuring instructions, verifying output, chaining tools together, managing AI agents.